Hi, welcome back. A couple days ago, I took over my sister's soap studio and she helped me paint this clay pot. And it dried beautifully. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at the colors. It didn't overstretch. And this was what we did using a strainer. Now we did leave the frog tape in the bottom until this morning, and this little inner part is wet, but it'll dry by this afternoon. And then next week we will seal it. I can't wait. The colors are amazing. I love it. And this is what we did with the runoff paint, or my sister did. She did her paint pouring rocks. My sister's with me. And you'll see some shorts on our channel with paint pouring rocks. It was so much fun. She just took them and dipped them. What a great idea. And she's gonna go put them down our bike loop path. There's a peace sign there. She's gonna add it to them. So thank you for watching. Join us next week and I will show you how we're gonna seal them. Have a good day. Bye.